If your touchpad doesn't work, here are a few things you can try. Hit your Windows button and search for Device Manager, and then double click on Mice and Other Pointing Devices. I have 3 here, so I'm going to select each one of them and hit Update Driver and search automatically. If it's still not working for you, go up to Human Interface Devices, double click on it, and you'll see some more devices in here. So one of them is HD compliant touchpad. Do the same thing, right click on it and update driver, search automatically. And if that's up to date, then you can also try the manual method. So again, update driver, browse my computer for devices, or for drivers, sorry. And then let me pick from the list available. And you have 2 here, so try one of them and hit next. And if that one doesn't work, then switch it to the next one. So this is picking them manually. Maybe it's selecting the wrong one. That could be causing an issue. Now, if it's still not working, right click on it again and hit uninstall device, and then hit uninstall here, and you will see it disappear from the list. And then you simply go to action and scan for hardware changes, and then it will reappear. And you can try that as well. And obviously try all these methods after you've restarted your computer. The number one fix for any issues, always first restart your computer, and if that doesn't work, then try one of these options.